In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page border in Google Docs. This is a great way to give your documents a polished professional look, whether you're preparing a report, an essay, or any sort of presentation document. So let's get started on this simple yet effective enhancement to your Google Docs. First, open your Google Doc and navigate to the top menu where you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on it, and as you scroll down, you'll see the Drawing section. Hover over this, and a side menu will pop up. Select Plus New from this menu. What we're doing here is setting up a fresh drawing space where we can create and customize our page border. Once you're in the drawing window, you'll want to direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. There's a little icon that resembles a circle overlapping a square. Click this, and it unveils a variety of shape options. Hover over Shapes, and then choose the Rectangle option. A rectangle is ideal for this task as it allows you to frame the entire page evenly. Now, with your rectangle selected, move your cursor to the drawing area and click and drag to draw your rectangle. Make sure you stretch it out to fill the page entirely. This step ensures that your border will cover the whole area without interfering with the layout of your content. Next, let's make sure that this border complements the text and elements on your page. To do this, go to the Fill Color tool, which looks like a paint bucket, and set it to transparent. This might seem minor, but setting the fill to transparent ensures that your text and any images or tables can be viewed clearly without any background color obstructing the view. After setting the fill color, we want to add some personality to the border itself. Head over to the Border Color tool, represented by a pencil icon, and select a color that suits your document's theme. You also have the option to adjust the border weight or thickness to your liking. This adds a touch of customization, enabling your border to stand out just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with how your border looks, go ahead and click Save and Close. This action inserts your newly created border into your document seamlessly. You now have an elegantly bordered page that's ready for your content. If your document spans more than a page, the good news is you can easily replicate this border. Simply copy the border you just created and paste it onto each subsequent page. This way, every page maintains the same cohesive and professional look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a page border to your Google Doc. With a few simple adjustments and strategic placements, you've elevated the appearance of your document in just a few minutes. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.